Hello, how are you doing today? Remember that yesterday we were talking about adjectives? We were talking about sweet, salty, sour. Today we're going to modify those words to talk about superlatives. Superlatives is when we say, for example, when we compare one item, for instance, this sandwich, I compare it to all the other sandwiches in the cafeteria. If I say, this is the biggest sandwich in the cafeteria, I'm making a comparison between this sandwich and all the other sandwiches in the cafeteria. That is what superlatives are. So, in general, we have two rules for superlatives. The first one is add est to the adjective, and we have some variations of it. For example, rule number one is when the adjective, like sweet, we just add the est. Rule number two says, okay, if the adjective is short, one syllable, but we have a letter e at the end, like nice, in that case, just add the st. Rule number three here says, okay, if an adjective has two syllables, but only if ends with y, change the y for an I, and then add est. You can see all the rules have at the beginning the word the, because what we're trying to say is el más grande, el más largo, el más dulce, la más elegante. Those are the superlatives. And we have here same rule, just with a variation. If I have something like the word hot that ends with consonant, vowel, consonant, this rule is telling me, okay, in this pattern, we have to add an extra letter T. If an adjective has two or more syllables, the rule is very simple, is identical like Spanish. The most delicious, el más delicioso. So it's very easy, it's just like Spanish. We have some irregular forms, for example, good. The superlative is the best. We don't add est, we don't say the most good, that is incorrect. With bad, we say the worst. Good, bueno, the best, el mejor. Bad, malo, the worst, el peor. Notice all have the adjective the to begin. Okay, so in this case, why I am changing spicy to spiciest. Oh, okay, look, there's a mistake here. The rule says change the y for I before adding est. If I'm not sure, okay, I can just go back to one rule that is similar. Okay, this is similar. We have a letter y in a two-syllable word. Now I hear, why do I put the largest? Oh, okay, because the rule tells me if I have one syllable word with the letter E at the end, I only have to add the S and the T. Saltiest, why? Okay, because the word has two syllables, ends with Y. The rule says change the Y to an I. The cutest, okay, this is simple. One word syllable, ends with the letter E, so I only need ST. Most fantastic, this is simple. With words, with adjectives that are more than two syllables, we have to use the most. That is going to be the introduction to superlatives. Your homework is going to be 7 8, 9, 7 through 12. That is going to be your homework. If you have any questions, please ask. Please don't hesitate to ask for any help that you may need. That's all for today. Have a nice day. Una repasadita en español antes de despedirme. Los superlativos son los mismos adjetivos que vimos ayer, pero ahora ya no estamos hablando solo de un objeto, sino que algo comparado con por lo menos dos más de su misma clase, de su mismo tipo. Tenemos dos reglas. Una es ponerle the most, como quien dice el más o la más, y el adjetivo no cambia, se escribe igual, solo cuando el adjetivo es una palabra larga, de 2 sílabas o más. Y si es de 2, tengo que asegurarme que no termine en Y. Si es un adjetivo cortito como big, sweet, nice, solo le agrego después del artículo y después del adjetivo le agrego est. Si es una palabra que ya tiene e como nice, solo le completo con la s y la t. Hay un caso especial de 2 sílabas. Solamente si termina con y, cambia la y por una i latina y le agrega est. Y hay una regla aquí de ortografía cuando la palabra es de una sílaba o es una palabra corta que termina en consonante, vocal y consonante. En ese caso, la regla me dice, en ese caso, repita la última consonante. Quería hacer el video en la computadora, pero tuve un problema técnico, por eso lo estoy haciendo en el teléfono. Espero que se vea bien, porque ya esta es como la tercera vez que lo hago. Entonces, ahí me disculpan, ¿verdad? Sí, es un poquito difícil de leer. Acá les hice del 2 al 6. Su tarea lo copia de la 7 a la 12 y me pone el superlativo. Recuerden, todos los superlativos comienzan con da, 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 da. Lo que va a hacer usted es decidir si le pone most antes del adjetivo o si va a poner el adjetivo y le va a poner est al final. That's it for today's class, guys, and have a nice day.